G'day guys. I'm not sure if I'll post a video that is before this. I might. I don't know how windy it was. I was basically talking about how difficult this car is to actually drive fast, understeer, and just a bit about overthinking things in life. But right now, I'm overthinking the GPS. Sometimes this graph thing appears with this round thing. I think only when it's out of navigation. Like, I just don't know how to get it, but it's been appearing. So it's like all the satellites around the world and this graph thing, but I really don't know how to get it. It's not information. See? I've tried. Anyway, does anyone know how to bring that up? No, don't go anywhere. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I was just wondering if you guys have noticed that. I'm pretty sure it was in the 2016, 2015 model. But yeah, does anyone know how to bring that graph up or anything like that? For those of you that are new as well, by holding the home and pushing... holding home and pushing this 5 times, you're in diagnostic mode. And there's all sorts of things you can play around there, but this, if ever, there will be an update for this head unit, which there actually is. Refer to my previous videos in the US, but not Australia yet. See, the US has an apps button in that, I think, but this is where you actually upload the program update and stuff like that. It's quite a long, drawn-out procedure. You can Google the update.pdf and from the Subaru Global site, and I think it comes in a PDF download, but you can actually get all the updates and do it. So you put the SD card in, or you put it in through the USB, and it can only be a 4 megabyte memory stick and stuff like that. So that's a bit about that. But over here you've got all the sensors and stuff. I didn't think I'd do this in the video, but I just thought about it. So you've got here all that. See, all these sorts of stuff. Let's reset it. Whoops. Imagine you wipe the whole thing. I can't remember how to get out of it though. Maybe it's the same thing. I don't remember how to get out of this. But yeah, I just turned the car off. Anyway, see yous. Bye.